Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This home is located in the lush and idyllic country setting in the hills of Trelawny. Close enough to all major convenience, yet private enough to be considered your sanctuary. The design of the home is both rustic and charming, with exotic cut stone finishes and a cozy interior. The layout includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large storage room, laundry room, and a self-contained studio apartment. The property sits among a wide variety of fruit trees and lush vegetation. This community is very quiet and tranquil. You can hear the birds singing and the wind blowing through the trees. Danieltown is minutes away from 3 major housing developments and Falmouth Town. The land area of this house is 10,890 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.